Now, next thing that we have is which we are going to talk about is deepfake. That what is deepfake? Okay, so when we talk about deepfake, right? Deepfakes are synthetic media. That means videos or audio recordings which are created using deep learning techniques, particularly neural networks. So these AI driven algorithms, they can generate highly realistic and convincing media, which makes it appear as though a person is saying or doing something they never actually did. Yes. Now, when we are talking about deepfakes, so how they work? First, data collection happens, right? Now, to create a deepfake, a large data set of images, videos, or audio recordings of the target person is needed, right? Then you will train the model. Now, training the model means you will use a generative adversarial network or autoencoder, right? So a neural network will be trained. The model learns the facial features, voice patterns, and mannerism of the target individual. And then you will generate the deepfake. So once the model is trained, the model can generate new images, videos, or audio that mimic the target person's appearance or voice, right? So it involves superimposing the target's face onto another person's body or synthesizing their voice to match the live moments and context of the video, right? Then it's not 100% done, it's not 100% same. Then we do refinement, right? Now the generated media is refined using different techniques to improve realism. So like you will adjust the lighting, you will blend the skin tones, you will smooth the transitions to make the deep fake indistinguishable from genuine media, right? So that's what your deepfake is. Now when we are talking about AI and deepfake, right? First, we need to know the problem statement, right? Artificial intelligence technologies, they have become integral parts across sectors impacting the global economy. So these technologies, they support a wide range of applications, which leads to opportunities in industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. Now, these opportunities, what they can do in industries like health care, finance, and transportation and entertainment. They support a wide range of applications, right? So these opportunities come with a significant risk. AI can be misused in various ways, which leads to risk like bias and privacy invasion, right? Now, with the advent of deepfake, these risks are magnified. So deepfakes, they are hyper realistic synthetic media, right? You create them using deep learning techniques that manipulate audio, video, or other digital content, right? Now, deepfakes, they have legitimate uses. They pose severe risk, like including the potential disinformation, fraud, and erosion of trust in media. Correct, David. That's what is happening nowadays. It's very difficult to distinguish them from each other, right? Now, next thing, the types of deepfake, right? So we have face swapping, right? So what is face swapping? Where you are impersonating the face of someone. Yes, voice cloning, where you are cloning the voice. Even lip syncing you can do. So, voice cloning means that AI generated voices that mimic the vocal characteristics of an individual. So, it is used in virtual assistant, entertainment, and potentially for fraudulent activities as well, like phishing, right? Then deepfake audio is there, right? So where you are doing lip syncing, it alters the movement of a person's lips in a video to match a different audio track, making it appear as though they are saying something they did not actually say, right? And it is basically used in dubbed movies or deepfake parodies and potentially harmful misinformation campaigns also, right? Then we have full body manipulation. Full body manipulation, not only the face but also the body movement and gestures of a person are altered to resemble another individual. Now, where it can be used? So, in virtual reality, gaming to create realistic avatars, as well as in deceptive media. Yes, they are like you have, see, what you have to do, you have to provide the inputs, what you want to change. So, let's say I want to change my face as yours, right? So, I have to give your pictures to the model, then model will change my face as yours, right? Now you might have heard all of these. Puppet Master deepfakes. So Puppet Master deepfakes is a form of deepfake where person's facial expressions and movements are controlled by another individual in real time, right? And it is used in virtual meetings, live performance, interactive media, right? That's not a video, but a real time thing happening. Whatever you are speaking, that is going to be seen by everyone in the meeting, right? So that is another type of deep fake. Then you also have uh, text to speech. Now, text to speech deepfakes converts written text into realistic synthetic speech that mimics a specific person's voice. So it can be used in audiobooks. Nowadays, lots of audiobooks, podcasts, they are going on, customer service bots, or for spreading disinformation also, right? You cannot find out which one is original and which one is fake, right? Now, when we are talking about the tools and softwares which are used for deep fake, right? So there are lots of tools which are available, right? Like there is one, Deep Face Lab. So Deep Face Lab, this is one of the leading software for creating deepfakes, and it offers a comprehensive suite of tools for face swapping, and it is widely used for creating high quality deep fake videos. You might have heard about one more, face swap, right? So that's an open source deepfake software that uses deep learning technologies like we have TensorFlow and Keras. So it is designed to run on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, anywhere you can run it. Then there is Deepface Live, right? So that's a real-time face swapping tool for video calls for PC streaming, and it allows users to swap faces using trained models or from webcam, right? There is Zao as well, right? So Zao allows you to create deepfake easily by swapping face into the videos, right? Deepart.io, right? That is the best tool for creating artistic deepfakes, transforming photos and videos into artworks, right? So that is what, that is your, these are the softwares or tools which are used.